Hello everybody. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about my family. Family is the most important part of my life. It is where I feel loved, safe, and happy. My family is not very big, but it is full of love and support. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my younger sister, and me. We also have a small dog named Max, who is like a family member. My father is a doctor. He works at a hospital and helps many people every day. He is very kind and always gives me good advice. Sometimes he comes home tired, but he always has time to talk to us. He tells me interesting stories about his day at work. He also loves reading books and always encourages me to learn new things. On weekends, he likes to take us on trips to new places. One thing I admire about my father is his dedication. He wakes up early every morning, drinks his coffee, and heads to work with a smile, even on his days off. He continues to learn and improve his skills. He always says, "Learning never stops." My mother is a teacher. She teaches young children and loves her job. She is very patient and kind. When I was a child, she used to help me with my homework. Even now, she always supports me in my studies. She also makes the best food in the world. Every Sunday, we cook together, and she teaches me new recipes. My mother enjoys gardening. She has a small garden in our backyard, where she grows flowers and vegetables. Every morning, she waters the plants and takes care of them. She says that taking care of plants is like taking care of people. You need patience and love. My younger sister is very funny and full of energy. She loves to play games, watch cartoons, and draw pictures. Sometimes, we fight over silly things, but we always make up quickly. She loves to tell jokes and makes everyone in the family laugh. We often play board games together, and she always tries to win. Even though she is younger than me, I learn a lot from her. She is also very creative. She loves painting and making crafts. Our house is full of her colorful drawings. Last year, she made a beautiful birthday card for me, and I still keep it in my room. One of the best things about my family is that we spend a lot of time together. Every evening, we have dinner as a family. We talk about our day, share funny stories, and make plans for the weekend. On Saturdays, we go to the park or visit my grandparents. Sometimes, we watch movies together, and my father always picks old classic movies. We also enjoy traveling together. Every summer, we visit a new place. Last year, we went to the mountains, and it was an amazing experience. We hiked, explored nature, and enjoyed delicious food. I love making memories with my family. My family is very special to me. They always support me and help me when I have problems. They teach me important lessons about life, respect, and kindness. Even when I feel sad or stressed, they always know how to cheer me up. I feel lucky to have such a loving and caring family. Family is not just about living together. It's about sharing love, respect, and happiness. Tell me, do you have a big or small family? And what do you like most about your family? That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow us and keep practicing. See you next time.